most of our jacket is blocking versus a 9. After we bet a pot on the turn, it's a bit thin to go B70 again versus a 9x. 9x is just starting to fold versus B70, so it works better to just target 9x by blocking. Whereas King Jack beats all of the other jackets that is checking back. So King Jack can slip in a little bit of a B70 sizing. Queen of Hearts 10, let's have a look. Queen of Hearts 10 is mixing between all three. It depends on our side card. We want to check when we have a spade, which makes a lot of sense. We don't want to block spades. I can call the turn. Call and then folds. Really not this. There's not that much like of a pot size going here. So we either want to have like King Jack and 2 and what hands are B70 in? Basically like a B70 around King Jack and Queen Jack. And then the rest of our value bets want to go all in. So if you wanted to take out the B120, you'd be totally fine and just play B70 and overbet. Yes. Problem is though, whenever you choose a very, very big large sizing, you put a lot of money into the pot, you want to block hands that call when you put a lot of money in. If you have no blockers, you put a lot of money in, you're going to get called too often.